Hey guys, welcome back to the AutoHound, and today is drawing day. Today, as you know, we're giving away this right here. This is the 70mi dash cam 4K Omni HDR. This is the full set. You are getting this exact box with the camera and, of course, the additional lenses, the charging port, everything. The little 128 gigabyte memory card. It's phenomenal. I've been using it now for about a month in my Boxster. I absolutely love it. I don't leave the house without turning it on. It makes my life easier because I don't have to worry about somebody being a fool and coming up and doing some damage to my car. And it also will protect you, God forbid, in case of an accident. As we all know, those dash cam scammers are out there and people are trying to be, oh, well, you know, you hit me. No, I didn't. It's on dash cam. People back up, they hit you. It's just, you just never know. So thank you very much. I truly appreciate it. In addition to that, we had a total of 17 entries from this. 16 were brand new subscribers, so thank you very much. One of which was already pre-existing subscriber. So again, thank you for sticking with us and liking our content. So we're going to get into it right now. Congratulations to Ace of Rallies for winning the 70mi dash cam. If you are interested in purchasing a 70mi dash cam, go to the Amazon link below or in the description. Also, I want to thank 70mi for sponsoring this channel. Thank you so very much. It means a lot. There'll be more giveaways coming up in the very near future. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.